All right. Today we are going to do the paper plate workout. I'm going to show you all sorts of fun you can do with 2 paper plates. First things first is we're going to do some side lunges. Put the paper plate on carpet, works best on carpet. If you don't have any carpet, use a towel on a hard surface. Then we're doing some reverse lunges. I recommend doing these for about 30 seconds each. So we'll do 30-second side lunges, 30-second reverse lunges. We're gonna do bear crawls, hands on top of the paper plates and push. Pick a destination, go there and back. I'm moving kind of slow. Your hands actually get kind of hot. Next one up is walrus slides. These ones are hard, so have fun. Straight back. Don't use your feet at all. You're using your hands to push yourself going forward and backwards. Turn around and back. Big thing is keep a straight back and just keep sliding. Next up, planks, stretches. You're going to be on your knees. Reach as far out as you can. The next angle will show you a little bit better. Again, I'm moving pretty slow. You're going to reach out as far as you can on your knees. Use your core. Pull yourself back in. One more angle of doing it. Pull yourself back in. Good. Again, these are good for time. I recommend doing about 30 seconds on. Mountain climbers. Straight back. Get your feet going. You can go faster than I was going. Next, we're going to do push-ups with a reverse crunch. So do a push-up and bring it up like that. Your feet and your knees never hit the ground. Push-up with the V-slide. Same thing. Straight back. Keep your legs straight and don't bend your knees. Hip raises. Lift your hips up off the ground and your bottom never touches the ground. Try to do 8 to 10 of these.